All right, I'm gonna put on the salsa first, the guacamole salsa. Spread it over the bread. And then take some banana nuts. And then you take some Parmesan cheese. Put some over it. And then